So hi guys, this is my first video of the playlist on n8n. So in this video we are going to cover two important questions. Why learning n8n is important, why it could be helpful, and second is what is n8n, right? And then we'll just explore the website and just explore what are the different workflows which are available here. So let's answer the first question, why n8n is helpful, right? So first of all, there are people across the globe who are building and selling workflows using n8n, right? It's like a service that they're providing and making money out of it. So yeah, and if you are a product manager and you have an idea and you want to implement it, you don't need any engineering team. You can just build your POCs using n8n and even take it to production. If there are any tasks which are repetitive in nature, right, all those tasks can be automated with n8n using a workflow. So if you are into marketing team, if you are a startup founder, if you are into sales, if you are having an agency, a lot of the tasks that you do often can be automated using n8n. Now what is n8n? n8n is an open source workflow automation tool, right? So what happens there? There are many apps, APIs, services are available. With n8n, you can easily integrate all of those and get your task done. You can automate your workflow. So how it works generally is you don't require coding. There are blocks here, right? These are all blocks. It's just plug and pull of blocks. So in n8n, we call blocks as nodes, right? Every node is able to create a function. It can either pass the data, it can either process the data, it can trigger the workflow, or it can do some action, right? So yeah, we will understand about nodes and build workflows afterwards. Yeah, there are around 500 plus app integrations. So most likely there is no workflow which you cannot automate with n8n. A lot of your workflows and a lot of tools are already integrated here, which you use daily in your lives, right? Let's try to explore some workflows. There are around 6,000 workflow automation templates already available here, right? So here there are some filters around AI, sales, marketing, support. You can explore all the workflows here. So the one of the workflows is talk to your Google Sheet using ChatGPT 5, right? So it's mentioned here what this workflow can do. Provides a conversational interface for asking question about your data. So you can basically chat with your Google Sheet using this n8n. How to go around it, everything is mentioned here, right? So once you understand the basics well and you are able to understand what nodes do, what are the different things you can do using n8n, your work is halfway done actually. You can just download the template which is closest to your problem statement and you can do it, right? You can go ahead with your project. So this is one of them, trending AI templates, ChatGPT, chat with database using AI, right? The multiple templates which are available here. Let's try to take a sales one. We can apply filter sales one, generate leads with Google Maps, right? This is another interesting one. So here again they have mentioned the workflow, how it looks, right? So you can build further on this workflow, like if there is some restaurant business, if there is some agency or social media agency that reaches out to the restaurant, right? So using this workflow, what you can do is you can find out the restaurants which are closest or in the locality where the agency reaches out to their clients, right? And you can create leads for them. These are the restaurants which you can reach out to. So yeah, this is a very good template which can be used for them. So you are creating business out of this use case, right? So templates, multiple templates are there. Also there is this stack here, right? If you already know that you are using Google Sheets, you are using Gmail, you can filter on Google Sheet. So all the templates will be available here. So whichever is closest to the problem statement, you can pick that and work on it. Yeah. Around the setup, so yeah, monthly around 24 euros is the cost for this. but worry not, right? The beauty about n8n is you can self-host it, and there are no restrictions on the features or everything. You can do everything as it is on your local, right? You can set it up on your local and you can self-host it. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll walk you through around how to self-host n8n, how to set it up locally, and yeah, maybe pick up a small simple problem statement.